little bit of a installing the carbon fins, using some house tools. Should be able to do this on, say, about an hour.
The only tools we needed to use here was a drill bit, Phillips screw bit, a drill, a measuring tape, a level, a pair of channel locks, small channel locks. They give you rivets and screws, but we didn't have a rivet gun, so what we did is we replaced them with some washers and some nylon nuts. That's everything you'll need here to finish this install.
This is after 2 fin installs. Already starting to look a little wider. So all you had to do here, pilot drill these holes. You just fasten them on the inside with the hardware given. They give rivets. We actually used lock nuts and washers on the inside, or a nylon nut is what we used. You can't even see them with those outside. Alrighty. Carbon fiber fins installed.